Hello everyone! Today we learn about secondary colors. We learn about red and yellow make orange. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make purple. Blue and red make purple. Ok, easy right. Chúng mình sẽ quay video cùng bố mẹ nhé. Đọc như Miss Quỳnh vừa đọc vừa rồi, xong gửi cho cô để cô thử sticker nha. Make the video. Miss Quỳnh, you give one sticker for this. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.